Hello everyone, welcome to Caster Squad. So if you are facing scratch disk issue in Photoshop, so today I will guide you how you can resolve this issue. Just watch my video from start to end. So before I start my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. Let's start the video. So first open your Photoshop and then go to Photoshop, Preferences, and then here you can see this scratch disk, so click here. Then this window will be shown on your screen. On left side you can see here performance, so click here. So from here you can set the space for Photoshop. Basically you set the storage for your Photoshop and you set how fast or how slow your scratch disk load out. So from here you can set storage for your Photoshop like this and just click OK. If you are using Mac, then just click here Go, and in drop down window if you didn't see library folder, then just hold Option. You see here library shown now by holding Option, so just hold the Option button and click here Library. Then your Mac library will be open. So in this list just navigate Adobe and from here search for Common. Then in Common you can see here Media Cache and Media Cache Files. So if you open Media Cache Files, then you can see here huge amount of cache files. So and move to Trash. So after deleting media cache files, just remove all media cache and move to Trash. So like this, if you go to Caches and then Adobe, so here you see Premiere Pro. So from here you can see the caches of Premiere Pro. So like this you can remove the caches of different applications you used in your Mac. Then by removing caches for your Mac, by removing caches of your application in your Mac, you can resolve your scratch disk issue. Hope you guys understand how you can resolve your scratch disk issue in Photoshop. So if you have any question, then ask me in comment section. I will be happy to answer all your queries. If you like my video, please subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon button. See you in another interesting and informative video. Take care. Bye bye.